In our last video, we explored strategic bid adjustments to improve PPC performance. Now let's take it further and focus on actionable hacks to reduce your ACoS. By using bulk files, you can apply specific strategies to lower ACoS across multiple campaigns in just a few steps. In this video, I will break it down into my favorite 6 hacks. These hacks will help you maximize efficiency, save time, and boost your profitability. Let's get started. Hack number 1 is splitting campaigns for better optimization. To optimize ACoS effectively, whenever you are starting, the first step is to split your campaigns based on targeting types. My favorite is to split campaigns into 2 groups. Group number 1 is all exact keywords and exact product targeting. Group number 2 includes phrase, broad, auto, and category targeting campaigns. By separating high converting exact matches from broader matches, you can adjust bids and strategies for each group separately. Hack number 2, optimize exact targets. Once you have identified group 1 exact keywords and exact product targeting, because they do not need you to perform negations, you can optimize these as per the rule 1. Here is how to do that. Filter for exact match in the match type column and exact ASIN using resolved product targeting expression column of the bulk file. Then increase bids for high converting targets using metrics like conversion rate above 10%, ROAS above 4x, ACoS below 25%. Obviously, you can adjust these metrics as per your profitability and conversion rates, or go the opposite way for low converting targets. After bid adjustments, you can also adjust placements for top performing targets. For example, increase top of search bid adjustment by 15 to 30% for keywords driving high ROI. This way, you are betting on top places, giving you better chances for organic ranking as well. Reduce bids or disable placements that are not performing at all. These are strategies we already covered in our last video, so check that out if you need a detailed refresher. My hack number 3 is negative keywords to tame ACoS. Group 2 targets, phrase, broad, auto, and category requires ongoing maintenance to keep ACoS under control. Negative keywords are just the best tool for that. Let's create an action plan for these. Start by identifying non-converting keywords using the search term tab in your bulk file. Filter for clicks greater than 10, ACoS greater than 35%, or adjust based on your targets, and also include no orders keywords. Then add these as negative keywords in the bulk file using campaign negative keyword or add group negative keyword in the entity column. Use negative phrase for broader exclusions. If ACoS remains high after adding negations for 3 to 4 weeks, I would say revisit your bids and placements as we did in hack number 2. My next and very important hack number 4 is regularly re-evaluate performance. Optimization is not a one-time job. Here is how to stay on top of it. Weekly optimizations. Download the last 7 days of data and address poorly performing keywords or ASINs immediately every week or at least every 10 days. Monthly deep dives. Every month, review the last 65 days data to identify broader trends and do the negations and optimizations based on the last 65 days of data. This will help you keep an eye on both short run and long run optimization. Also, track negatives. Maintain a master negative keyword file to identify repeated patterns of search terms not performing well and add root words to negative phrase for broader exclusions. For example, if you see 10 to 20 keywords performing badly with the brand name Apple common in them, you can negate Apple at a negative phrase level to optimize performance. This brings me to my hack number 5, fix absolute loss makers. During your monthly optimizations, it is crucial to identify and address underperforming targets that silently drain your ad budget. Here is simple but effective approach. Step number 1 is to identify those. Filter your bulk files for keywords or targets with 10 to 15 clicks. Obviously, you can adjust based on your average conversion rates, but 0 orders. These are clear indicators of wasted spend. That means you are paying more than 15 clicks and they haven't yet yielded any results at all. This may also include hundreds of clicks without any order. Step number 2 is to fix them. Pause or reduce bids for these non-converting keywords immediately. By doing so, you prevent these low-performing targets from eating into your profits and allow your budget to focus on more promising opportunities. Lastly, monitor them closely. Keep a close eye on these targets weekly and ensure they are revisited during your monthly review at any cost. Consistently addressing these keywords helps you maintain a low ACoS and protect your profitability. Remember, your worst enemies in maintaining low ACoS are not just the high ACoS targets. targets. They are the silent spender that bring in traffic without results. Eliminating or scaling back these underperformers is a key step to optimizing your campaigns for long-term success, which is obviously our aim for today's video. Hack number 6 is my favorite one. Adjust and scale winning campaigns. Finally, do not overlook the power of scaling campaigns that are already delivering great results. At the end of the day, this is what you need. A systematic keyword harvesting process ensures you're maximizing opportunities for growth. Here is how to do it efficiently. Do the keyword harvesting exercise every month by analyzing the last 65 days of search term data in your bulk files. Identify high performing keywords that are performing well in exact match keywords. Those with strong conversion rates and low ACoS that do not yet have phrase match or broad match campaigns set up. Create new phrase and broad campaigns every month for these keywords to tap into a broader audience while building on their proven performance. Then you can also refine and scale exact campaigns like we did for the phrase and broad. Similarly, look at top performing phrase match and broad match search terms that do not have an exact match campaign. Set up exact campaigns for these terms to target their most precise high converting variation. Now, with these 6 bulk file hacks, you now have a complete toolkit to tackle ACoS and make your campaigns more profitable. From refining match types to seasonal tweaks, these strategies will help you lower wasted spend, focus on high converting terms, and scale your efforts efficiently. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. In the next video, we will explore how to use bulk files for seasonal campaigns. I will guide you through planning, optimizing, and managing ads to capitalize on high demand periods. So until then, take care. See you in the next episode.